everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Every Day, the podcast where learning English feels fun, easy, and full of confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Nick. It's great to be here again. I've been looking forward to today's episode because it's something so many English learners struggle with: fear.
Exactly. That fear of speaking English, the nervousness, the worry about making mistakes or being judged, we've all been there.
Oh, totally. I remember when I first tried speaking another language, my hands were literally shaking.
Same here. I used to practice sentences 100 times in my head before I actually said them out loud.
That's so relatable. So today, we're going to help you let go of that fear and speak English with more confidence and joy.
Yes, and before we jump in, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this episode with your friends. Your support really helps us keep creating more fun lessons for you.
Absolutely. Now, let's get started. So, why do people feel so afraid to speak English?
Well, one of the main reasons is fear of mistakes. Learners think, what if I say it wrong? Or what if people laugh at me?
Exactly. But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Yes. When a baby learns to speak, they make hundreds of mistakes before they get it right. It's totally normal.
That's right. Mistakes are not the enemy. They're actually your best teacher.
I love that. You can't grow without a few oops moments. Every mistake is a step forward.
And sometimes the fear comes from comparing ourselves to others. We hear fluent speakers and think, I'll never sound like that.
Yeah, but comparison kills confidence. You're on your own journey, and that's perfectly okay.
All right, let's talk about how to build real confidence. How can our listeners start speaking more easily?
First, start small. You don't need to give a big speech. Just try saying 1 or 2 sentences a day in English.
Yes, even talking to yourself counts, like saying, "Good morning, time to study English," or "Let's get started."
I do that all the time. Talking to yourself actually helps your brain think in English.
Next, start practicing with kind people. Find a friend, a teacher, or an online group where it's safe to make mistakes.
Exactly. Learning feels easier when you feel supported. If someone laughs at your mistakes, that's their problem, not yours.
You're brave for even trying to speak another language. That's something to be proud of.
Third, focus on communication, not perfection. You don't need perfect grammar to connect with people.
I agree. I'd rather talk with someone who makes mistakes but speaks confidently than someone who's too afraid to say a word.
Same here. The goal is to be understood, not to sound perfect.
Let's try a quick practice example. Imagine you're in a coffee shop in London and you want to order a drink.
Okay, let's go. Hi, could I get a cappuccino, please?
Perfect. And the barista says, "Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?"
I'll have it iced, please.
Nice. See how simple that was? It's not about long words, it's about confidence.
Exactly. Even if you make a small mistake, people will still understand. What matters is your effort and your smile.
Yes, smiling really helps. When you smile, you relax, and people respond warmly.
Now, let's talk about what makes speaking harder for many learners.
Mistake number 1, thinking too much before speaking.
Oh, yes. Some people try to translate every single word in their head before talking. That's exhausting.
Exactly. Try to think in English, even simple thoughts like, "I'm hungry," or "It's sunny today."
Mistake number 2, worrying too much about pronunciation.
Right. Your accent doesn't have to disappear. It's part of who you are.
Totally. Your accent tells your story. Be proud of it.
And mistake number 3, being too serious about learning.
Yes, have fun. Laugh at your mistakes, make jokes, enjoy the process.
You can even say, "Oops, that sounded funny," and just keep going. Everyone will love your confidence.
You know, Nick, a lot of learners tell me they're afraid people will judge their English.
Yeah, I hear that a lot too. But honestly, most people admire you for speaking another language.
Exactly. It takes courage to speak. Every time you open your mouth and try, you're growing stronger.
Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being brave enough to try.
Beautifully said. Remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful.
Let's finish with a few daily practice tips.
Tip 1. Speak out loud every day, even for 5 minutes. Talk about your day, your plans, anything.
Tip 2. Record yourself. You'll be surprised how much better you sound after just a few weeks.
Tip 3. Shadow native speakers. Repeat what they say to copy their rhythm and tone.
And tip 4. Celebrate your small wins. Every time you speak English, say, "Yes, I did it."
Be your own biggest cheerleader. Confidence grows when you're kind to yourself.
All right, let's show what a confident English day sounds like.
Morning. Good morning. Time to start the day. At work. Could you help me with this, please? Lunch. I'll have the chicken sandwich. Evening. Let's hang out sometime.
Perfect. Simple, natural, confident. That's how fluency is built, one phrase at a time.
We hope today's episode made you feel braver and more positive about speaking English.
Remember, don't wait for perfect English to start speaking. Start speaking and your English will become perfect for you.
So, keep practicing, stay confident, and most importantly, enjoy every step of your journey.
And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment about what topic you'd love to hear next. Your support really helps us keep creating more fun lessons for you.
Because the best way to learn English